The tissue box in our classroom is a good example of a rectangular solid, also known as a rectangular prism. Before one of our tissue boxes is open, you can see that it has 6 sides and they come in pairs. The top and the bottom are identical, the left and the right are identical, and the front and the back are identical. And each of these faces is a rectangle. Well, here is such a box looking straight down from the top so that all we can see is the top. And our box is 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters. The top is 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Well, we can take a box like that and make some cuts and unfold the left and the right sides as shown here. We make another cut and we unfold the front. Now the top of the box is only attached to the back of the box, so we don't need to make any more cuts, but the only way to unfold it now is to unfold the top above, the back comes out in purple, and now we can see the bottom of the box, which is orange. And apparently this box was empty. Well, this two-dimensional figure that represents the 6 faces of a three-dimensional figure, in our case a box, this figure is called a net. And now we can label this net with our 3 dimensions. You can see the shortest one is 2 centimeters, the middle one is 3, and the longest one is 4. So the top and the bottom are 3 by 4, the front and the back are 2 by 4, and the left and the right sides are 2 by 3. Well, there's more than one way to make a net for any box, so we try again. This time we make cuts to unfold the front and the back first, then the left side, and now once again the top is attached to the right side, so the only way to unfold it is shown here, exposing for the first time the bottom of the box. We still have a net that shows all 6 rectangles, but the net is not the same as the original net that we looked at previously. If all 6 faces of a box are the same, the box is called a cube. There are 11 distinct nets that can be made for a cube, and there's many wrong ways to make nets for cubes. If you think you have a net for a cube and you're not sure, get a pair of scissors, cut it out. If you can fold it back up so that it's a cube, then you've got one, and if you can't, then you've probably made an error. One other type of box is one in which 2 of the dimensions are the same, but the third one is different, shown here. A possible net for such a box is shown here. And here are the dimensions. We chose 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters, making the top and the bottom each squares, 2 by 2. And our third dimension was 4, so the height of the box is 4. So 4 of the rectangles are 2 by 4, and 2 of the rectangles are 2 by 2.